Hi guys and welcome back to another Pets Go video. As you may know, the new update rolled out in Pets Go and we all got the chance to get god potions with this update. So as you can see in my inventory, I already have some of these frozen chests from this new update that I was gathering just for this video to try and get god potion. So the first thing that you need to do to be able to get these frozen chests, you need to go into your upgrade menu and over there unlock holiday event, and here you will be able to follow the path on the left side where you can unlock ice fishing and also frozen chests. Here you can see the whole skill tree and all the stuff that you can upgrade. My suggestion is to focus on the gingerbread multiplier and also frozen caster, since this will give you ability to get frozen treasures even faster. You can also unlock gingerbread fisher to get event coins while fishing in the frozen lake. And also, if you unlock the merchant skill, you will be able to get frozen baits from the merchant and get frozen chests with every cast. After you unlocked all of that, you can find this place in the middle of the map with the snowmans and the frozen lake in the middle. And after gathering around 1500, we will also use Blizzard Potion while opening these chests and also other presents from the event. So we tried opening a lot of those chests and unfortunately we didn't get any of the god potions out of them. We did get a lot of eggs, potions and coins, but none of them were god potions. So I will keep the rest of the eggs that we got for the next blizzard and also continue fishing and try again in a couple of days, because I'm very eager to get god potion. This is my free to play account, so you should know that this is a chance for everybody or anybody to get god potion, either event god potion or the regular one. Both are good, so any one of those would be very good for us. We don't have any huge pets for now, so this would be a huge opportunity for us, at least to get our first huge pet. So I wish you guys luck in this event. I hope you can get some huge pet out of this or god potion. Let me know down in the comments if you did get some god potions out of these frozen chests from the event. Leave a like if you think this video was useful and I will see you in the next one.